Good morning, students. Yesterday we were talking about a story of Sindbad. I told you who is Sindbad. Sindbad is a person who used to travel by waterways. Correct or not? I told you four ways. Correct or not? Four ways of transport, or then four means of transport. Even I gave you introduction of the lesson. What was Sindbad? Where is Baghdad? Baghdad is a city in Iraq country. Okay. Iraq is a Muslim country, and capital of Iraq is what? The capital of Iraq is Baghdad, and the Sindbad is the name of a person who stays in Baghdad, and he used to like to travel various new places. Like for example, he used to like to travel to Arabia. Now, when he traveled to Arabia, he had many adventures. Adventures means what? Adventures means daring experiences or unusual experiences. Okay. Adventure meaning of adventure is what? Unusual or daring experiences which he had taken in his voyages. Now, voyages means what? I told you yesterday voyages. Yesterday, in yesterday's period, I told you fantastic voyages. Fantastic means what? Which is unbelievable but true. And voyages means what? To travel a long distance or to travel a long journey by sea. That is called voyage. And here, and this man, Sindbad, is a sailor, and who love to travel from one place to another by waterways, by sea. Correct or not? He used to go with his companions and visit various places, and from that, total seven stories are there. His fantastic, how many stories are there? Seven stories are there. And that collection of stories is in which book? The Book of 1001 Nights. What is the name of that book? The name of a book is what? The Book of 1001 Nights. And it is having another name also. The another name for that book is what? The Arabian Nights. Okay. And from that we are going to study his first voyage. Now, first time when he went by waterways, when he did journey by sea, or when he did journey by waterways, his first voyage we are going to study in this lesson. Okay. Voyage means what? I have told you before also, and again I am telling you, voyage means a long journey by sea. Voyage means what? A long journey by sea. Okay. So first we'll start with lesson. I will read 2-3 paragraphs and I'll explain you. Okay. Sindbad set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time, they stopped at various ports. There they sold their merchandise. Merchandise means what? Merchandise means goods. Merchandise means what? Goods. Various goods. Sindbad set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time, they stopped at various ports. There they sold their merchandise and bought new things to trade. Now, what they did, Sindbad, along with his friends or along with other merchants. Merchants means what? People those who travel to sell their goods, correct or not? To sell their commodities, you can say, or to sell their goods, or to sell their things which they want to sell to other country. Okay. Now then, when this Sindbad was sailing by ship to a place, they used to stop at every port. Port means what? The place where ships load, and the place where ships are loading and again they are becoming empty over there. Correct or not? Goods are removed. Empty means what? Import. Correct or not? Import means what? The goods are removed from the ship. Correct. And that goods which are removed from the ship are sold in that area. And export means what? Now then, to load the ship, means to put goods in the ship, and then that ship will go to another place to sell its good. Like that, ports are there. There are many seaports, right or not? Mumbai is a seaport, correct or not? Because there Mumbai is situated near sea. Mumbai is situated near sea, so a port is there. We are having a seaport in Mumbai, and it is told that export and import is done. Exchange of goods is done. Means what? Selling of goods is done and buying of goods is done. And this people, Sindbad and other merchants, they used to stop on every port. Correct or not? They used to stop on every port and they used to sell their goods and they used to buy some new goods also from there. Okay, that is what given in first paragraph. There they sold their merchandise and bought new things to trade. What they used to do? They used to go and stop on, for example, they used to go and stop on first port. They will go here, they will stop their ship over here, they will sell some goods over here, again they will buy some goods, again they will start traveling. Okay, now if here in Kerala, correct, downside Kerala is there, Mumbai is there. When you go to south part of India, what you will see? You will see which state, you will see Kerala state. Then here what will happen? Ships will port over here, correct or not? They will stop over here at the port, and when they will stop at the port, they will sell some goods and they will buy some goods. अंडरस्टूड? सेल म्हणजे काय? विकणे. ते काय करणार? काही वस्तू विकणार आणि काही वस्तू विकत घेणार. Like that only they will go to other ports. Understood? There are many ports on the way. And same thing, Sindbad and other merchants, what they were doing, they used to stop on each and every port and they used to sell and buy goods. Next paragraph. One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at a distance. They spotted an island means what? They came across, or their ship went near an island. For example, if I'll show you picture of an island. For example, there is an island. Island means what? Island is a piece of land. Island is what? It is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all four sides. What is island? Island is a piece of land. Not piece of land is not so small piece of land. It is very big. It is as big as your village. किती मोठं असतं ते आयलँड? तुमच्या गावा एवढं मोठं असेल, राईट? सो इट इज अ पीस ऑफ लँड. लँड आहे आणि कडाने सगळं काय आहे? पाणी. लँड विच इज सराउंडेड बाय वॉटर ऑन ऑल फोर साइड्स. On all four sides, what is there? Water is there. On all four sides, what is there? Water is there. Then ship came over here and they spotted an island. They spotted an island means what? They saw an island and they thought of going and waiting on that island. Okay, जमीन दिसली त्यांना. जमीन दिसल्यानंतर त्यांनी काय ठरवलं की आपण त्या आयलँड वरती जाऊन थांबायचे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. They were traveling by water. They were sailing in water, and for many days they did not see any land. त्यांना पाण्याच्या ज्यावेळेस ते पाण्यामध्ये ट्रॅव्हल करत होते त्यावेळेस त्यांना कुठेच जमीन दिसली नाही. आणि ज्यावेळेस त्यांना जमीन दिसली त्यावेळेस ती खूप सरप्राइज्ड झाले आणि खुश झाले. सरप्राइज मीन्स व्हॉट? दे वर सरप्राइज मीन्स आश्चर्यचकित झाले ते. all of a sudden they saw and land, and that land they had not seen land from many days. When they did not see land from many days, they were surprised also and they were happy also. Why they were happy? Because they wanted to go and stay on land for some time. Understood? They wanted to spend some time on the land. So what is given further? They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. They sailed close to the island. Now what they did? They went close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. Everyone was excited. On the island, they strolled around, sang and danced. Strolled means what now? Strolled. Strolled means what? Walked here and there. Strolled means what? To walk here and there. Walked here and there. What did these people do? These merchants, when the ship sailed close to the island, there is ship islandच्या जवळ आली. Okay, when ship came close to or sailed close to the island, these all people, what they did, they were so excited, they were happy, they were surprised to see land. Okay, and then as ship went over there, then the captain of the ship, now every ship has one captain, yes or no, main person who gives announcement to the people, okay, how to take care, how to be on the ship. If there is any problem, they are reporting it to the people. So the captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. Now as the ship came close towards the island, captain of the ship, what he said? Merchants, Sindbad and your friends, or Sindbad and friends, you can go and have picnic on island. And they all got down. Some of them they took food, some of them they took their bags, some of them they took eatables with them, and they got down on an island. Island is what? It is a land, piece of land. Okay. And then when they went over there, what happened? That we are going to see. On the island, they strolled around, sang and danced. Strolled means what? They started walking here and there. They thought as if they are free to walk anywhere, correct or not? When they are in ship, they can walk out on water. No, they cannot walk on water. So as soon as they got down from the ship and they went on the land, they started moving here and there on the land. They started dancing, they started screaming, they started singing songs. Strolled means, I told you, strolled means what? Walked here and there. They were walking here and there. Some people began to wash clothes. Now many people, once the people go in ship, there are small rooms, but now here some people began to wash clothes. What they started doing? They started washing their clothes. Some lit fires to cook meals. Lit. So what is meaning of this word lit? L-I-T, lit? Burning of fire. Some people, what they started doing? Some people started washing their clothes, and some people lit the fire. Lit, lit means what? Light or burning fire. Burning fire. Here it is told that some lit fires to cook meals. They want to eat food, so they started cooking over there on the land. Okay, then what happened further? Soon the breeze sprang up. After some time, what happened? Breeze sprang up. Breeze means what? हवा यायला लागली, वारा यायला लागला, हवा यायला लागली. Soon a breeze sprang up. The fires began to blaze. Now they were burning fire. त्यांनी काय केलं होतं? जाळ केलं होतं त्या जमिनीवरती. तर काय झालं त्याचं? It began to blaze. Blaze means what? B-L-A-Z-E. Blaze means what? A very large burning fire. A very large burning fire is called what? Blaze. हवा आली, हवा आल्यानंतर तो जो जाळ होता तो मोठा झाला. करेक्ट? It began to blaze. Suddenly the land began to shake and move. Suddenly what happened? Land began to shake and move. With a shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not an island at all. Right? What they understood? They understood that with a shock, a picnic party realized, the people, those who went on the land, they understood or they realized that we have not landed on land. आपण जमिनीवरती नाहीये. Then what is that? See now, surprise. They were on the back of a huge sea monster and it had started moving. They were on the back of whom? They were on the back of sea monster. Now sea monster, monster means what? A big huge animal in the sea. Monster means what? Sea monster means what? Monster means what? A large, frightening, imaginary creature. Imaginary creature. Now, what can be a sea monster? It can be shark. It can be dolphin. Correct or not? It can be crocodile also, because crocodile is little hard. Its body surface is, or its skin is little hard. So what they will think? It is a land only. And they landed on a sea monster. On what did they land? They landed on sea monster. And what was that sea monster? It was a large creature. Creature means what? Animal. And when breeze sprang, जेव्हा हवा यायला लागली, and when weather started changing, that monster started moving and shaking, and people were on whom? They were on the back of this monster. They were on whom? They were on the back of this monster. So then what they were going to do? Now just imagine, people began to scream. People began to scream, and then what has happened in the lesson? I will complete this much paragraph and then we will stop. They were on the back of a huge monster and it had started moving. People began to scream. They left their pots, pans, their clothes, both washed and unwashed, and rushed back to the ship. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. Now what happened? जेवढे माणसं होते त्या monster वरती, people those who were on the back of the monster, what they did? They left everything. They left their utensils, they left their food, they left their tables, they left their clothes as it is over there, and they started running in the ship. And captain ordered a men that the person who is taking care of ship or who travels ship from one place to other, he told immediately to that person that move away our ship from the monster. Monsterच्या जवळ आपली काय जहाज आहे, आणि ती जहाज काय करा तुम्ही त्या monster पासून दूर घेऊन जा. Understood till here story? Remaining story, it is very interesting story. Remaining story I will explain you in tomorrow's period. Okay? Thank you. And what is your homework today? You have to write down these word meanings. You have to write down all these word meanings in your notebook. Write down name of lesson, the story of Sindbad the sailor. First word, adventure, voyage, merchandise, scold, lit, place, monster. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 word meanings I have given to you till now. You have to write down meanings of these all 7 words and their meanings. Okay? Thank you.